Hey, this is Steve, product specialist here at 1000bulbs.com, and today I want to introduce you a brand new line of products from PLT Solutions, the LED barn light. Now, barn lights can be found anywhere where you need security, maybe at your personal property with a barn or an attached garage or any place where you just need an added layer of security. There are two offerings that PLT Solutions can provide for you. The first one is a 40-watt LED barn light. This one has about 5,000 lumens. It's going to equal about 150 to 175 watt metal halide. The second one, its big brother, is an 80-watt variety, 10,000 lumens. Both of these are 4,000K. Another great aspect of these lights is it comes with a photocell. There's absolutely no need to have any additional wiring done. So these lights are only going to come on when the sun goes down, and they're going to turn off when the sun comes back up. So it gives you that extra added layer of efficiency as well. One of the benefits of using this LED fixture as opposed to the older legacy style HID fixtures is simply the weight of the fixture. Now you can tell I don't work out, but as you pick this up, this is very, very lightweight, even attached to a pole. It's probably less than 5 pounds. So you can imagine for this 40 watt and even for the 80 watt fixture right here, the ease of a one-man installation. That goes a long way into a do-it-yourself mentality. Now, when it comes to mounting, like we said, these are very easy to work with. This particular unit is mounted onto what you'll see in many scenarios. It's a pole. It's a universal size. Don't have to worry about any adaptations. It's going to easily fit on this arm. There's a bracket to cover that opening. So a very, very easy way to mount this on a pole. Another thing that you can do is take your fixture, and instead of mounting to a pole, you'll be able to mount it straight to the wall. And as it's sitting on the wall, you got some brackets to cover the connections. So everything can be done in a screwdriver in hand. Very simple to do. Again, this one's lightweight. This is the 80 watt model. So this is the big bad boy here, 10,000 lumens, but again, super easy to light up. Another great aspect, like we mentioned, is a photocell. Now we have this one wired up, and just want to show you that it does work. So this again is 5,000 lumens coming out of the fixture, 40 watts. It's about 130 lumens per watt, very efficient. And again, with the integrated photocell, no extra wiring done. The sun goes down, the lights come on, the sun comes up, the lights go off. You really can't get any easier than that. So when you're ready to replace that old clunky HID fixture, just remember the line of LED barn lights from PLT Solutions. If you have any questions or would like to make a purchase, give one of our knowledgeable lighting experts a call at 1-800-624-4488 or visit us at 1000bulbs.com. Don't forget to click the like button if this is valuable for you. And for more lighting product spotlights, tips, and education, please hit that subscribe button too. You can even turn on notifications by clicking the bell so you'll know exactly when we upload new content. We'll see you next time.